Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone display lagging issue. Lot of iPhone users facing this kind of issue on their iPhone. So in this video I'm giving you some tips so you can easily fix that issue. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. In settings app you need to scroll down, and here you can see a person screen, display and brightness. Tap on that. After that you can see a person screen, liquid glass. Tap on that. Make sure it's selected on clear. If it's not selected on clear, just select that, and after that it will working smoothly and your iPhone display lagging issue fixed. If that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, if that method is also not working, then make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So check that. Open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings you need to scroll down, tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on software update and make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. So by do these simple step, you can easily fix that your iPhone display is lagging. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, nearest Apple store and they will fix your issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.